Welcome to Joanna C. Today we're gonna talk about extension. Everybody likes my videos on extension, so we decided to do extension, but in different ways, something totally different. First, I'm gonna present Shayla. I wanna introduce Shayla. Look how beautiful hair she has. Of course, you're thinking extension on her hair. She has long hair. Her hair is full. Actually, what do you think? She doesn't need it. But she's all dark, and she always wants to have highlights. She wants some pieces lighter, but to do that, she needs to put bleach and over-process her hair. So this is the idea. We're gonna play with extension. We're gonna pretend that extension are her highlights. We're gonna put pieces all over her hair, so she's gonna look beautiful, lighter, without damaging. This is the color where we pick. Okay? So this is the extension. We find a long length because her hair is long. You don't want to have a short length and then the extension is going to finish here and the dark is going to be until here. So we always have to look for the length. And the color, of course, the color what she likes. Now, we want to pretend like they're highlights. So we don't want to put a big, thick piece of caramel tone or light brown tone. So we're going to take one of the pieces and we're going to do this. We're gonna put it together, the two pieces, so the extension looks thinner. Normally this extension you have to take, like I don't know if you remember or if you saw my videos, you need two pieces of extension and you put it on your hair like a sandwich, okay? You put this piece, your hair in between, and then this piece. Now, because we're gonna do highlights and we wanna look natural and thin, not too thick, we're gonna use just one part, one of the pieces, and we're gonna do this. So the extension is gonna look thinner and it's gonna look better for highlights. Now this is a human hair, and one day she decides she wanna get crazy and put it red. You can put bleach and then put red on top because it's human hair. So you can play, do whatever, do darker, do lighter, they are very good quality. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look on the places. We're gonna ask Shayla to hold the extensions so she can help me. Okay, first I'm gonna think what is the places where we want her to see lighter. So what I'm gonna do, and this is always like, I put all her hair to the front. This is the first thing what I do. So always the lighter tones where we need is always around the face, on the neck. So I'm gonna play with two pieces right here. So if she put her hair like this, she can see some light tones, okay? I'm gonna put a little clip. And this is the place where we're gonna do the first extension. First, remember, we always need to be sure we leave a space so when she does her ponytail, the tape is not showing. So we're gonna leave some dark first, and we're gonna put the lighter tone, the lighter pieces over here. So it's fairly like this. I'm gonna take one piece of the hair. We're gonna take the extension. We remove already the paper from the extension. We put it like this, and the other part go on top. Okay? And voila. Shayla has highlights. Okay, this is one. So when she goes like this, she's gonna it look natural. Okay, so we have to do the same in the other side. This. We double check it's the same place. Está más o menos, no? Okay. We take the piece of extension with a piece of her hair. We go there and we fold there. We push them to be sure everything is clean and nice. Okay, now if we check, and you start to see like the first highlight on her neck. Look how beautiful, natural, and no processing, without processing the hair. going closer to her face. Now, when she opens, she has her bangs right here. So what I can do, I can put something on her bangs. So after all this, look how beautiful she looks. I put the extension. This is a perfect way to do highlight without damaging. And look how natural. You can even say those are extension. Looks super natural. Even in her bangs, I did some lighter pieces. It looks beautiful. And if you want to have even more, you can add more. You can do whatever you want without damaging. It's a great option for the people who has damaged hair and they can process, or the people who doesn't wanna do any type of color on the hair. This is the perfect and great option. I hope you like it, and I see you next time in my next video.